Unmanned aerial vehicles have gained significant importance in military operations due to their versatility, endurance, and capability to perform missions without risking human lives. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is a prime example of such a UAV, designed to operate at high altitudes for extended periods, providing real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is designed to fly autonomously at high altitudes, reaching up to 60,000 feet for over 30 hours, collecting and transmitting valuable intelligence data in real time. With a wingspan of over 130 feet, the Global Hawk is an impressive aircraft that can cover vast areas of interest with its suite of sensors and cameras. Northrop Grumman was awarded the contract to develop this advanced surveillance system, and the first prototype took flight in 1998. Over the years, the Global Hawk has undergone several upgrades and improvements, enhancing its capabilities and reliability. The RQ-4 Global Hawk has found extensive applications in various military operations around the world. Its primary role is intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, providing critical information to military commanders in both peacetime and combat scenarios. The Global Hawk's ability to operate in harsh environments and cover vast distances makes it an indispensable tool for military forces.